Today we will learn some very short sentences or phrases. If you learn these, you will be able to speak English quickly. These are very simple, so you will learn quickly. Because the sentences are made up of only 2 to 3 words. And these are very common. You have to use them when you speak English. Anyway, let's start today's lesson. Don't go out. Don't go out. It's a sin. It's a sin. It's true. It's true. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Be alone. Be alone. Be at home. Be at home. Be careful. Be careful. Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. Come to the point. Come to the point. Did you have lunch? Did you have lunch? Do it now. Do it now. Do you remember? Do you remember? Don't stare. Don't stare. Don't wink. Don't wink. Got it. Got it. Have little more. Have little more. How arrogant you were. How arrogant you were. I am surprised. I am surprised. I don't think so. I don't think so. I forgot to clean. I forgot to clean. I got it. I got it. I told you. I told you. It's illegal. It's illegal. It's shivering cold today. It's shivering cold today. Keep distance. Keep distance. Love yourself. Love yourself. Meal is ready. Meal is ready. Please come here. Please come here. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. Talk to me. Talk to me. Think about it. Think about it. Too clever. Too clever. Understood. Understood. Wait for me. Wait for me. What are you playing? What are you playing? What did you lose? What did you lose? What did you say? What did you say? What is the date today? What is the date today? Whom do you love? Whom do you love? Whose is this? Whose is this? Write it down. Write it down. You don't listen to me. You don't listen to me. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.